Tell us your name, who you are, and how long you've been training.
My name is Jillian. I've been training since May. About 5 months.
Okay.
Ish.
And why did you want to start training with us?
I wanted to start training because my brother really was encouraging me to start here. I'm glad I
Nice.
did.
Excellent. All right. And what is the one thing that would have stopped you from training? What do you think would have been the biggest obstacle?
Probably the biggest obstacle would be if the people here weren't like as nice as they were.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So what is the one thing that you want to get out of training?
The one thing I want to get out of training is to like build my self-confidence and pushing through and able to keep doing everything.
Okay. And so what is blah 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 blah? What are the 3 benefits that you've experienced from training with us?
From training, I've been more like expressive and gotten more confident in myself. And with school, I'm like channeling my energy, so I'm not like I'm focused at school as well as here.
Nice. Okay, so what would you say to someone who's nervous about training or thinking about training? What would you tell them?
I would tell them that to just follow what you want to do, and if you want to train, you can.
All right.
If you're nervous, don't be. It's amazing here.
Oh, thank you. All right, is there anything else you want to tell them?
I would say that basically just do it. It's fun a lot of the time.
All right.